Okay, on your paper it says 5, but this is really 7. Okay? All right. So this is 7. The following histogram shows the age of an actress who performances have won the Best Leading Actress category at the annual Oscars. What age interval contains the most actresses? So this is right here. This is the most. Right. And that looks like it's 24 to 32. So we can say 24 to 32 would be the interval. How would you describe the actress who won the distribution? So it goes up, then it falls down. Here, this is a tail, which is on the right. So we can say this is skewed right. So only the younger actresses have won. What age of 72 would be included in this interval? Well, it looks very skewed. So it looks like this is the box right here with the median right here. And there's a tail all the way here. So, ooh, that's a very interesting question. We can say 20, we can say 27%, 25%, but that might be less. So we can say less than 25%. At what age would something be included in which interval? At age 4. Oh, sorry, they don't care about the percentage. They just want the interval. So that is in between the ages of close at 72, open at 80. So that's the correct interval. All right, there you go.